What is optics? Optics deals with, it is the one of the branch of physics which deals with light and its interaction with matter. What is light? What are the characteristics of light? What are the properties of light? Let's see one by one. What is light? Have you seen light? Yes. Yes, light is all around us. Our world is mostly defined by light. We have always been fascinated by the behavior of light. Who has not appreciated the charms of rainbow which stretches across the sky and shining stars on dark night and the pleasant sight of full moon? So, light is all around us. It is the main source of energy for all living organisms. It is commonly referred as electromagnetic radiation, which can be received by our human eyes. Light which produces the object can be classified as luminous object and non-luminous object. The object that can produce light by themselves is said to be luminous object. So can you know the examples? Yes, sun, stars, light gives off light. Then what are non-luminous object? The object that cannot produce light by themselves is said to be non-luminous object. So suppose you just imagine you are in dark room. Can you say the color of your shirt? No. The non-luminous objects can be seen only when it presents only through the luminous sources. So non-luminous objects that are visible only when they receive light from luminous source and they send light to our eyes. Next, what are the properties of light? So light travels always in a straight line. Always in a straight line. So the velocity of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, which is very high when compared to the velocity of sound. So while raining time, we will observe lightning and thunder. Which will observe first? So lightning. So because the velocity of light is faster when compared to the velocity of sound. The light does not need any medium to pass through travel, but sound needs a medium to travel. The velocity of light differs in medium. It travels faster in air, little bit slower in water, and still slower in glass. Materials can be classified based on how it responds to the light. If the material allows the light to easily pass through on it, then it is said to be transparent material. Then it is said to be transparent. If it allows the light, it is transparent. It do not allow the light to pass through on it, it is said to be opaque material. And it absorbs or allow the light, but it distorts the light during its passage. It is said to be translucent material. How are rainbows formed? How do fiber optical bud? How do cloud has a silver lining? Okay, it's all properties of light. Let's see one by one. First one, reflection. So reflection means the bending of the reflection means the light travels and just bouncing from the same medium. It just reflected. So if the surface is smooth polished material, then at what angle the light comes, the same angle it will get reflected. So bouncing of light in the same medium is said to be reflection. So you are seeing your face in the mirror, in the plane mirror. So it is because of reflection. So I am only seeing plane mirror. So your face just hits the mirror and just reflected back. You can see your image. Okay. Next comes to refraction. What is refraction? So here the light travels in the same medium, gets bounced in the same medium. But in refraction, medium. The light travels from one medium to other medium. So whatever it may be, air, glass. So when light travels to different medium, the light gets refracted. See, in first, I told you in the characteristics of light wave. So the light always travels in straight line. But here, so it is bending and it is reflecting. So reflecting and bending also it is travels in straight line. Okay. And another one, total internal reflection. So in fiber optical cable, the light rays get total internal reflected. What is total internal reflection? So the reflection, repeatedly the reflection occurs in the cable, it's said to be total internal reflection. See, light enters and hits the cable material and again get reflected and again get reflected. So it can going on. The reflection process continuing. So it is said to be total internal reflection. Okay. Next, diffraction. Spreading of wave around the obstacle is said to be diffraction. See, here the light is incident on some slit. See, the light gets bending like this. It is said to be diffraction. Here the light comes and slit width is somewhat larger than this one, so it gets diffracted like this one. Okay, but here it is very important. The slit width is smaller than wavelength of light. It should be in narrow only. So if it is narrow, then we will get diffraction patterns. Otherwise, we couldn't get. This is not a diffraction pattern. So spreading of wave around the obstacles is said to be diffraction. So the coming incident light get diffracted only when the size of the slit is very narrow. It is comparatively smaller than the wavelength of incoming light. Okay, thank you students. In next video, we will see the rest of the basic concepts in optics and spectroscopy. Okay.